In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to report a suspicious Telegram account and potentially help get that official scam tag applied if the person truly deserves it. By the end of the video, you'll confidently know how the scam tag works, how to use Telegram's built-in reporting tools, and the best way to make your report actually count. Let's get started. First things first, a common misunderstanding is that anyone can slap a scam tag onto another user's Telegram profile, maybe with some secret trick or hack. But that's not how it works. Only Telegram's administrators and moderation team have the power to officially label someone's account with that big red scam warning you might have seen before. It's meant to be a serious warning, so Telegram takes it very seriously, and they'll only apply it after a proper review where they verify multiple reports about truly fraudulent activity. So what does that mean for you? Well, while you can't directly give someone a scam tag yourself, your actions do matter. You can set the wheels in motion by reporting any suspicious or scammy behavior you notice. And your report isn't just tossed into the void. Every valid report helps Telegram's team spot and shut down real scammers, sometimes applying the scam tag or even banning the account outright. Let me walk you through the safest and most straightforward way to do this, using Telegram's in-app reporting feature. Honestly, this is the easiest and most efficient method, whether you're on mobile or desktop. So here's how you do it step by step. Start by opening your chat with the account you suspect is up to no good. Take a moment here to double check. You want to be sure you're looking at the right chat so there's no accidental report against the wrong profile. Now, once you're in the chat window, tap or click on the user's name or their profile photo at the top. This opens up their full profile information, where you'll see details like their username, bio, and maybe recent activity. Look towards the top right corner of their profile screen. You should see a familiar icon. It's the 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Give that a tap and a drop-down menu will appear. Don't rush this part. Sometimes those extra options take a second to load, depending on your internet connection. From the menu, select Report here, where Telegram will ask you to specify the reason for your report. Choose Scam. That's important, because this option flags the moderation team that the account is allegedly involved in fraudulent behavior. Take an extra moment here to add a brief description of what happened. For example, did the person promise you something and never deliver? Are they sending you phishing links or impersonating someone else? The clearer and more specific your explanation, the better Telegram's team can understand your complaint. If you have any screenshots or evidence, absolutely attach those to your report. Screenshots can show proof of a scam attempt, fake links, impersonation, or other sketchy behavior, and they help moderators make decisions faster. If you're not sure how to take a screenshot, just pause and look it up. Your operating system will usually have a simple key combination or app for this. Once you've filled in the details, simply tap Send. The report goes directly to Telegram's moderation team. Now, this part might take a few moments. Sometimes the app will confirm your submission right away, and other times there's a short delay, so don't worry if it isn't instant. And that's it. You've done your part to help the Telegram community stay safer. Remember, you won't necessarily get a reply or see the scam tag right away, and Telegram reviews reports carefully to avoid mistakes. If this person is running a real scam, your report may be the push needed for Telegram to warn others or shut them down. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or comments below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides. Stay safe online. I'll see you in the next video.